how to install Android Studio on Windows 11. So for that purpose, head over to your Chrome browser and type in Android Studio. Once you're done with that, you're just going to simply head over to their official website that says Android Studio Download Now. I'm going to quickly head over to that web page. And into that web page, they directly have this big white rounded button that says download Android Studio Jellyfish. So which is basically their latest Android Studio feature that they have. There's so many different features that this app gives us. So let's just head back over and click on download Android Studio Jellyfish. Once I click on that, there are basic terms and conditions that I'll need to accept. You can simply say I have read and agree with the terms and then quickly head over to downloading this for Windows. Now once you do that, simply they're just going to start the installation process right here, which is started already, and it's going to open up in meantime once it's installed. And once this package is installed, it's going to automatically run onto your Windows and you can start and make the most out of it. It's going to take a while, maybe 15 to 20 minutes to download it and for it to be run. And if it doesn't automatically run, which rarely ever happens, what you can do is you can click, you see it says Android Studio, you can click onto your file explorer, go on to downloads and see where this file shows up. You can see this one is going to show up right here. You're simply going to click it and open it manually and get it started. So guys, this is how you can install Android Studio on Windows 11.